How to start a transcription business. Transcribing involves typing what you hear in audio or video files. The transcription business requires people who are quick and accurate with their typing. These two aspects need to be present in an employee. One can't be fast and inaccurate since it will take double the time to proofread what the person has typed out. One can't also be accurate and not be fast at typing since the time it will take to finish will be longer. So, when you're starting a transcription business, make sure that both quickness and accuracy are qualities you possess. What do you need to get started? Transcribing companies have similar technical requirements, which include: you'll need a computer that's not too old. You will also need reliable internet. Most entry-level transcription companies require you to work on their software, which is usually a quick and straightforward installation. Some businesses require you to have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. Depending on the company, you may be required to use Google Chrome to evaluate its program. To work with any transcription service, you must wear headphones. Higher-paying transcription companies will allow you to use separate transcription software and a foot pedal. As a newbie, you don't have to worry about meeting all these requirements. When first starting, all you need is some time and a quiet place to work. Initially, all you'll need is your laptop and a pair of earbuds. Some of the best transcription sites that pay well. The following are some of the websites that offer high-paying online transcription jobs for beginners and experienced individuals: SpeechPad, Upwork, Rev, Scribby, GoTranscript, and Ubiquitous. Transcription is a well-paying career with many opportunities. A transcriptionist's salary is generally around $15 per hour, while an advanced transcriptionist earns around $25 to $30 per hour. At this rate, you can easily earn $1,500 every month if you work 2.5 hours per day for 24 days.